Want to program a new key fob for your 2011 Ram 1500? It's a DIY-friendly process, crucial for replacing lost fobs or adding spares. This model relies on a manual, vehicle-based procedure. You'll need at least one working fob to start. The process involves synchronizing the new fob with your truck's immobilizer system. This allows the vehicle to learn the new fob's transponder signal. Correct timing is key. Errors can lock out the system, needing a dealer reset. Up to 8 fobs can be programmed. Duplicates are not allowed. Newer RAM models use apps for remote programming, but the 2011 model requires the manual method outlined below. Be sure to use a new 3-volt CR2032 battery. Ensure your truck battery is charged and have your new fob ready with a fresh battery. Use your working key fob to unlock and enter the vehicle. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Do not start the engine or remove the key. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the new fob for 4 to 10 seconds. Release when the horn chirps. Turn ignition off. Within 10 seconds, press lock and unlock buttons again. Turn ignition on, then off after each fob. Repeat for up to 8 fobs. After all fobs, wait 10 seconds or open a door to exit programming mode. Test each fob by unlocking the vehicle. If engine won't start, seek dealer assistance. Verify with manual.